The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Remove the dampener arm.
In this case, it was missing from the vehicle.
Push in on both sides of the glove box to release the stops, and lower the glove box. Unclip both sides of the housing cover to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing with its arrow pointing up. Reinstall the filter housing door. Partially close the glove box to re-engage the stoppers. Reinstall the dampening cord. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.